How to turn off sleep mode in Windows 11 or 10. So let's start it. First of all, you search on search bar and write here POWER power and sleep. Yes, okay. Power and sleep setting. Then click here and you can see here power and sleep, screen and sleep. Then you select here and click never, and select here click never. Both sleep here never and click here never and cut it. You can see here desktop is never go on sleep mode and you are continuously work here, and uh, easily mode is happy not in sleep mode. So this is how to turn off sleep mode in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. So press the subscribe button and do like, share and comments on this video.